This decorative self-adhesive film transforms flat surfaces and is safe to apply to walls, kitchen cupboards, furniture, shelves and more, creating a unique, personalized look. DC Fix films are ideal for DIY home decor renovations, making them simple and affordable with minimal equipment required. Quick and easy to install, just peel and stick. Made from vinyl PVC film, making it easier to clean, is water resistant and more durable than traditional contact paper. Films have trimming grid lines on the back for precise measurements and are fully removable without leaving a residue. Includes 317 extension 7/8 rolls. Bahia is a vibrant multicolored patterned self-adhesive film. DC Fix self-adhesive films are a collection of affordable home decor solutions, which allow you to change an appearance and inspire a custom design with minimal effort. DC Fix solvent-free films boast unique designs and patterns that can be used for home and office makeovers. Express your individual design ideas quickly and easily by applying the film directly to almost any flat surface for instant, beautiful and long-lasting results. Application is easy. 1. Cut the film to the required size using the handy grid on the back. 2. Gently remove the backing paper. 3. Apply to any dry, flat surface using a DC Fix smoother or cloth. Surfaces covered with DC Fix product can be washed and maintained with warm soapy water and can be easily changed for new designs. DC Fix products can also be used for arts and crafts, decorations, labels and much more. Utilize DC Fix self-adhesive films for your next do-it-yourself project. The design opportunities are only limited by your imagination. Top reviews from the United States. Love this pattern. Adhesive is good. I loved this pattern for a project for my son's first college apartment. Found this perfectly sized table, but wanted to give it some pizzazz. It was easy to use the paper and the design didn't require any dropped match really, depending on your cut or what you are covering. My son loved the makeover.